Cool red hair color, warm red hair color. When you go into a hair salon, you'll find hair swatches in both the cool and warm sections and even in the neutral section of the hair color chart. As I've always said, natural hair colors in hair salons are two different things. Do I recommend somebody who is given a fully cool undertone palette to get a cool undertone red hair color in the hair salon? The quick answer is no. And the answer is that for two reasons. Because your natural hair color around the age of 20 is always best. Your hair color naturally has never been in this range. Let's say though you were really dead set on getting a cool red hair color. I know from experience that you'd be coloring your hair every 1 to 2 weeks. I'm a licensed hairstylist. What happens with red hair colors applied in hair salons? They fade really fast, and when they fade warm. And so to maintain a cool red hair color on somebody who has a cool undertone color analysis result is high maintenance. So if you want to color your hair every 1 to 2 weeks, go ahead. I guarantee you won't enjoy when the hair color fades. I know this from personal experience too, because before I took a color analysis course, I used to color my hair a cool red, and I'm a true summer. And it would fade so fast to warm, and I would think, oh, it's kind of off. When I found out my true summer result and wanted a fully cool hair color aligned with my natural, it took me years to grow out the red. Some people think applying another hair color on top removes the hair color underneath. No, you're just covering it up. And when the top hair color fades, the red would peek through. So if you're a cool undertone palette, I never recommend coloring your hair red for two reasons to summarize. Because your hair has never naturally been in that range, and two, you're gonna have a high maintenance situ on your hands potentially for years. You have naturally red hair around the age of 20 and obvious red in the color analysis system I use, you would never be given a cool undertone palette. And you'll notice, here's the warm red. There's no such thing as cool undertone natural red hair. Like, no one's hair ever naturally looks like this. Same pigment that defines your natural red hair also defines the underlying qualities to your skin, underlying qualities to your eyes and lips, like everything external coloring that you see. And with that coloring, your skin, hair, and your features would never harmonize with the cool undertone palettes in the system I use. And if you have natural red hair, why would you want to color your hair red? I generally say avoid reds in hair salon hair colors for everybody, unless you're graying and want to add back in your natural featured pigment. You've never naturally had red hair, I typically suggest avoiding going red in general because your natural around the age of 20 is always best. If you only want to know your color analysis result for your hair color, I say bring a picture of yourself around the age of 20 with your roots showing or your natural hair color showing to your hairstylist, and that is your best hair color. Go for that. Have a sparkly day.